you guys, welcome back to another Clean and Organize with me. This time I am targeting my kitchen fridge. If you are new here, welcome. I'd love for you to hit the red subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any beauty and lifestyle videos to come. As you can see, it's definitely needed, and my goal here is to go through everything and throw all the food that has expired or has just been in there way too long. Starting with the bottom shelf, I am just going to remove everything and give it a good wipe down using my favorite Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray. The scent I'm using today is the mint, and I have to say it's pretty amazing. Now I'm just putting the milk back in and then restocking the water. Here I am just going through everything on the top two shelves and pulling out everything that needs to be thrown. A while back I did purchase a gray bin from Target to put all of our fresh produce in just to keep things a little more organized. So I will also be going through that and making sure I throw anything that is old. Now to start on the door. This is one part I was not excited about because of how much stuff is here, but I'm so glad I did and got everything back in order. Now I am just wiping everything down. As you can see, there is dried food on the shelves, and I am so happy to be getting that cleaned off. Now it's time to go through all of this and organize them into categories. is putting everything back, and I'm trying to keep the stuff we grab for the most on the top, and then things like taco sauce or barbecue sauce will go on the bottom. Here is the final result. It was nice to get everything wiped down, and it feels so good knowing that there is no longer expired food in the fridge. I'm so happy with the end result and the fact that it only took around 30 minutes total. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe if you are new. Can't wait to see you all in my next video.